Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What is critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance is a form of supplemental health insurance that provides coverage of expenses that your health plan doesn't cover. The purpose of critical illness insurance is to provide a monetary safety net in the event of medical diagnosis that could result in expensive treatments or other financial hardship. You can generally get critical illness insurance through an employee benefits program at work or by buying an individual policy on your own. And then what does critical illness insurance cover? Critical illness insurance provides benefit if you get diagnosed with a qualifying medical condition. The illnesses covered by a policy vary depending on your plan. Here are some of critical illness that are usually covered under this type of insurance. The first is cancer, though it might get limited to a life-threatening diagnosis. The next is end-stage renal failure, and then heart attack, major organ transplant, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and stroke. Make sure to dig into coverage for a policy. Critical illness insurance policy can vary. For instance, some plans cover amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS or Lou Gehrig disease and hearing loss, while other policies don't cover those health issues. And then, does critical illness insurance cover pre-existing condition? Most critical illness plans don't cover pre-existing condition that were diagnosed before the policy were purchased. For example, your critical illness plan may not provide benefits if you were diagnosed with coronary artery disease before getting critical illness insurance and later need bypass surgery. And then what does critical illness insurance not cover? What critical illness insurance policies cover varies by the policy, but generally, here are what critical illness insurance policy will not cover. The first is asthma, diabetes, injuries sustained in an illegal act, injuries sustained by substance abuse, injuries sustained in war, pre-existing condition. Though a critical illness insurance policy may cover the condition after time, such after a year of policy being in effect. And then self-inflicted injuries. Make sure to read the fine print and understand exactly what the specific critical illness insurance policy covers before paying coverage. And how does critical illness insurance work? Supplemental critical illness insurance work much differently than traditional health insurance policy like PPO or HMO. Your regular health insurance plan covers the cost of your health care. If you are diagnosed with a critical illness, you can also file a claim with your critical illness insurance company. Your critical illness insurance company provides a lump sum payout up to your policy's coverage limit. And then critical illness insurance can help offset health care costs on your or you can use it for whatever reason you need. You could use the money to pay your health insurance deductible or co-payments, or you could even put the money towards mortgage payments, groceries, and child care. And then, who needs critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance can be good investment for people who can get coverage for free at a low price from an employer, or those with a health plan with a high deductible or out-of-pocket cost. Or if you have a family history of certain health conditions like cancer or heart disease, critical illness insurance can provide financial peace of mind that you will get more financial help if you are diagnosed with a condition. Because critical illness insurance offers coverage for a wide range of conditions, it can also be beneficial for people who don't have emergency fund or are concerned about the financial consequences of unexpected medical diagnosis. And then how much does critical illness insurance cost? Here's a look at example of critical illness insurance quote from insurance companies. These costs are for group coverage, not individual coverage sold directly to individuals, so keep that in mind when comparing quotes. If you buy an individual policy on your own, the cost of critical illness insurance depends on a few factors. Based on the amount of risk you pose to the insurance company, in most cases, you can expect to pay lower rates for individual critical illness insurance if you are young and healthy with no pre-existing condition. And then your premium is largely dependent on the coverage amount. Here are some condition criteria that insurance company consider if you apply for individual critical illness insurance plan. Overall health, age, gender, nicotine use, location, advantage of critical illness insurance, provides financial protection. A critical illness insurance plan can offer financial protection for your family and this type of insurance can also keep you financially stable while you pay for a treatment. Okay, I think that's all the explanation that I can share to you. I hope it can help you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.